Alright guys, it's time to unbox my swimming pool. Oh my god, this is more than 60 kilogram. Well, after unboxing, this is how it looks like from the outside. It's 4.27 meter by 2.50 meter with the depth of 1 meter. And here we can see the water. It occupies, if you feel 90%, 7.25k, 7,000, almost 7,000 liters, more than 7,000. Alright, we have a water filter and a ladder. Let's see what we have more inside. My bike has been outside for the last 2 days, you know, because of this thing, which I'm not able to move. It's like 80 kilos, you know. It's really difficult to move it, so I'm gonna unbox it in the garage and take it with the 3 or 5 installment to the garden. So finally I got it open. Now there are, let's see, I think it's 3 different sections. Let's take it out. It's too heavy. Those 2 things are heavy. This is light one. So let's see. I don't know what. Sorry. I must be careful while cutting it open. So it might destroy. Why the hell? This is empty, mate. I don't get it. Why would this work? It's the filter. This must be the filter. Let's use. This is the water filter for pour. Well, this thing I have another empty box. This is a part of the filter. I think this should be inside the box. So, whole swimming pool. So guys, these are the things I got it from the box. So there's a ladder. Those are the, I don't know, the filter things, the pipe, and the main swimming pool, and those are the stands. That's it. And most importantly, the ground for them. The डब्बा बोकेर उद्घाटन गरिदिनु कहाँ लाग्यो अलि गयो खाली छ त नि के भन्छ खाली छ त हल्का 50 किलोको डब्बा ल 50 किलो डब्बा झुरुकै उठाउनु भयो टाइम ल्याप्स Okay, this is the spot. Well, unfortunately my mobile stopped recording. Finally, I hope I recorded all my time lapse. Finally, bow is ready, and this is huge. This is huge, 100-meter depth and 425-meter long. 125, sorry, centimeter. I mean 250 centimeter. To my overgrown swimming pool. Alright, 1 meter deep. It is on its way uphill then. Oi. Okay, this is the main concept. I think it will take 8 hours. 8 hours to fill this hole. It has been almost 2 hours, eh? But yet 5%.